What's up everybody, Cody does it back at it again with another video. I started recording, I got a phone call, so it kind of corrupted my video, so I went ahead and recorded it again for you guys because I know y'all want to see what's going on. Everybody thinks this took 8 hours because I put 8 hours in my, or I spoke 8 hours in my video. So essentially you got one plug here, you got one screw here in the back, it's kind of hard to see. You got one screw here, and you can see it's hanging on, it's bouncing around. Then you got another screw back here. That's all it takes to pull this out. It's not an 8-hour job. Everybody's freaking blowing me up talking about 8 hour. No, but if you turn this bad boy on, it will vibrate like nobody's business. You can feel it in the driver's seat. So customer said he was tired of getting back massages when he needed high AC. Not really. This is a used car. I'm fixing it for the lot. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this other bolt out, drop it down, throw the other unit in, bolt it in, plug it in, and that's all the job is. I mean, literally, it could take you 15 minutes if you got the right tools, and you got a little mat down here. In the other video I did show you guys I was rocking this thing, but the little leg folds out. It's basically a creeper, for underdash creeper is what Cornwall calls it, but it's not really worth the money. So we'll go ahead and pull this other one out. I'm gonna pause it here and then I'll throw it back up when I'm putting the other one in for you guys. Alright guys, so I got my handy dandy flex head ratchet. Nah, we'll just sticker pack. Oh, of course it's not gonna stay up. Can you guys see? Can you see? Alright, you can see. So go ahead and grab this other socket off of this electric ratchet. And we're gonna go up in here. I'm gonna get this bad girl. You just get it a little bit loose, and usually you can take them out by hand, but we're just going to go ahead and ratchet it off till it stops ratcheting. And drop that down. And I can't spin it by hand, of course. So we're going to grab the socket off the ratchet, set the ratchet down, socket on it. I'm going to spin this bad girl off by hand. Yeah, this isn't the most comfortable position either, if anyone's wondering why it's taking so long. Yeah, may have to go grab a 8mm ratchet wrench. Yeah, let's grab that real quick, make this easier. Alright, so we got the ratcheting wrench. Take a few more turns, we'll have this bag grow out. Oh, you guys ever had one of those days where you stay at work really late and you're like, why am I here? Why do I care so much about this place? It's not so much the place, it's about my paycheck. That's the reason I'm here. Oh, is this gonna be a booger to get out of here? It ain't gonna be that bad. Come on, baby. That's the old one anyways, so who cares, right? Alright, second part of this, it somehow corrupted my video again and closed it. You can see on these, they're balanced. It's basically a wheel weight for your fan. You got one there, you got one there, and you got one right there. Nope, that's some paint, sorry. So yeah, it's got two balance clips on it, so we're going to throw this in, plug it back in, and be done with it. Tell you what, it's hot today. It's a humid bitch. It'd be nice if this AC worked. Come on, you clip, get out of the way. She ain't wanting to go, is she? Get that all the way out of the way. Wow. This girl ain't wanting to go. Look, my caught on. Now you see why it's an hour job. It's in the hole. Come on, buddy. Alright, I gotta stop this here. I'm sweating profusely. Alright, so it took quite a bit of finagling, but did manage to get this girl back in. She was a fighter, that's for sure. She did not want to play no games with me. Get this little clip of this video. Like I told you guys, put the blower motor in. You see in the earlier clips, it's on full blast. We ain't getting no vibrations. You ain't got no more massaging seat. The 14 F150. So yeah, as always guys, like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna throw this video up for you guys. If you enjoy it, if you have any questions, you want to know anything, if I don't have the answer for you, I'll find the best way to get it, and I'll make sure it's correct. As always guys, stay motivated, make money. I'll see you on the next one. I'm getting my ass out of here, getting out of Dodge. I'm ready to go home. I'm tired, I'm hungry. My wife's got some Freddy's. I don't know if you guys live anywhere near where I live at, but Freddy's is the shit. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.